Hey everybody, and welcome back to Calc 3 Online. So the last thing I just wanted to talk about in my surface integrals day 1 video that I just ran out of time for was how we handle surface integrals for finite unions of smooth surfaces. So you should think of back in line integrals, right? We talked about how if this is like the whole thing that we're integrating over, like the curve S that we're integrating over, we can chop it up, right, into different line integrals. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line integrals, right? And then just add them up together, and that's just like a byproduct of this thing being a linear operator, basically, and you can do that. And it works the same way with surface integrals. So, if we have this kind of weird truncated cylinder thing, right, there's 3 surfaces here. There's like the kind of elliptical sort of surface right there. There's the bottom, right, down here. And then there's like this side kind of piece that like wraps around right into the back, like over there. So those 3 surfaces, right, you could do a surface integral where you're doing it over these 3 surfaces, right, entirely. And that's fine to do. So there are problems where you'll need to basically do that, where if you get a weird object like this, you can just do this one, the orange one, and then add to it the surface integral around the kind of side of the cylinder, and then add to that the surface integral, over the bottom of the thing. So that is just analogous to this idea. And surface integrals also extend to higher dimensions, and luckily all this nice stuff works there too. So if you're working with like a 4-dimensional object, you can still do the idea where you kind of break the object up into like different unions of the surfaces, the higher dimensional surfaces.